We're adding a website to your Carrot account, right? So in my case, I have 3 websites up right now. I'm going to add a fourth. I'm breaking out into a new market. I bought a few houses recently in St. Louis, and I like it. So now I'm going to start marketing for properties there, right? So I'm maxed out at my 3 websites. So if you go to your account and you can click on that thing that says upgrade your membership. You can see there's all sorts of options here. You can get more websites. You can get the Content Pro or the Advanced Marketer. These are really good plans. I don't really see a need for it in my situation right now. I don't need to spend $200 a month. You know, so I went right in the middle with the Content Pro. I didn't want one website. I wanted 3, and you get a little bit more out of it. But I want to add a fourth website. You can go down here and just add a website for $20 a month. Just add, and it's really that simple. So now you're ready to click that site. I skipped a couple of things just so I don't show the world my personal information on the Carrot website. But I'm going to click the add site. This is the same whether it's one of your 3 basic ones or you add an extra one. What do you want to do? All right. Are we going to attract motivated house sellers? Or are we going to build overall credibility? Are we going to attract cash buyers? Whatever you're looking for. I'm typically just going to look for attract motivated house sellers. All right. So we click. The site name is not going to be Academy Home Buyers. This is going to be Buy My St. Louis House. All right. Create site. Let this work for a minute. Now I am going to work on and edit my site like I normally do. But for now, I'm just going to start my site with the Carrot preloads and let it run. But you see, this is very simple. Right now, we're just letting the computer run. At this point right here, we're going to add our custom domain. Is by my stlhouse.com. Save, right? So now we have some instructions here. I'm not going to go specifics on this because Carrot gives you detailed instructions depending upon where your name is hosted. Namecheap, GoDaddy, Network Solutions, 1&1. There's a whole list of them. I'm with GoDaddy, so I'm just going to go take care of this. I'm going to follow this. We're going to add a CNAME record. All right, and then we're going to add a non-www redirect. Dashboard for our newly created domain. Okay, so we are going to click Content. And we have to make a few edits, okay? So we have to make some edits just to get it going. For example, the easiest way to sell your house in Market City, where is that Market City pulling from? It's pulling from your account, which in my case is going to be like it says Virginia Beach or at least Virginia. So we go over here to override market settings, right? So wherever it says Market City, we're going to write St. Louis. And wherever it says Market State, we're going to write, let's keep it short. All right, rather than writing the whole word out. We're going to leave the phone where it is and the market zip code. We'll leave that where it is for now. I'm not sure where they have it. So what we'll do is I'm going to look. You can do Control F or Command F in an Apple, and we're going to look for zip code. I want to see where they have zip code on this page. And it's highlighting one for me. And it says it's highlighting one. I don't know where. Oh, just on the, I think it's just here. Right? Yep, it's not showing, so there's no zip code asked on the page. So I'm not going to worry about it giving me the wrong zip code. So right now, with that, we are going to preview. Let's see with this out of the box house. And now see, it still says we buy houses in Virginia Beach. So let's close here. I think we have to update it. Let's update. Now let's preview. Still saying Virginia Beach. Let's go back. Let's do this. We're going to open an incognito window because it might just be my my browser cache. Let's take a look here. What is it? buymystlhouse.com. Yep, there we go. See, there we go. So this is my new page. I opened this in about 5 minutes. Now, is this SEO friendly? Not really, because there's a ton of people with this same website, right? Can this convert? Absolutely. Will you send traffic to this and it will convert? Absolutely. The Carrot sites are designed for conversions, right? So if you want to make it more SEO friendly, it takes a lot of work. Now you got to go and you got to rewrite all your pages, right? Which is what we saw over here in this new part, unique content. It's telling you that there's nothing unique here. Okay, you've got to change that up. But that's just for SEO. Like I said, this page will convert. So you can start sending traffic to it. I'm going to start sending traffic to it while I build out all of these pages and make them more personalized, right? That's going to take a while. That's a project for some more videos. All right. You have any questions? You want me to do something for you or show you anything? Put them down anywhere in the comments. Shoot me an email, matt@academyhomebuyers.com, and we will make a video for you. All right. Have a great day.